What up? We got some mail and we're gonna open it and it's gonna be sick. Alright, so let's get started. I've been waiting about I got one of these I got this one about like a week ago, and I've been waiting for this other one. So let's go. Package number one. Package number one. We rip it open and we have a geese. That's my song about it. You can't. Anyway, here. Dream on Dreamer. What if I told you it doesn't get better? Ooh boy. Let's have a look. Let's have a look inside. These are some local boys. Me and Chris are really tight. We're best friends. Chris, Shaw, and I. It's sick. We kiss. We kiss every day. So looks like we've got some lyrics and some vinyl. Woo! I can't remember what one I ordered, but apparently this is like a misprint or something. Or maybe it's the other one that's a misprint. Or maybe I've got two misprints. That'd be wild as. Alright, but we'll have a quick gaze in package number 2 here. It's probably going to be a B. I ordered B's from these dudes. It's a number 2 of that. That was an accident. Well, it wasn't really an accident. They didn't get back to me about a refund, but that's okay. Alright. Same deal here with another misprint vinyl thing. Cool, okay. Alright, and then finally in here we've got, ooh yeah, we've got the lovely shirt with lovely nice orange with what if I told you it doesn't get better. Alright, give me a second here. Boyos. Ow. Fuck it. Slough it, I mean. I don't swear because I'm a Catholic. I did just break my earring though. It's okay. Here we bloody go. I'm an orange boy. I'm an orange dude. Aren't you glad I'm such a cool dude? This is it. There's a hole there. My dog put a hole there. I guess that's the end of it then. Peace out, homies. Have a good one. I love ya.